Welcome to Mimic channel again. Now I am going to explain you about LED rechargeable floodlights. Again, this particular LED rechargeable floodlight is being used in night operations where the night maintenance is required and in a bigger way. That means when the railway tracks are being repaired or maintenance of the railway track is there, it is always between 1 am to 3 am. At that times, where the railway track maintenance is there is no light. In that case, you require a floodlight. So around 15 to 200 persons are working over there. So you don't need a smaller light, but you need a bigger type of light. So you need floodlights. In this floodlights, there are variations like 3000 lumens, 4000 lumens, 5000 lumens, 10,000 lumens. Also, it is varied from 30 watts to 100 watts, depending upon your applications. And that has to be portable. So whenever the people go to 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer on the tracks in the night, they have to carry. So it has to be lightweight also. So these are the LED rechargeable floodlights having a brand Shakti, manufactured by Mimic. Is like this. You can see it is a LED rechargeable floodlight. And in this, you need to adjust the focus wherever you work. So whenever these knobs are changed, you can change the focus, you can tighten it whenever you want. Also, the base has to be very strong and sturdy and gripping. So this is the special design what we have made is for gripping on the floor, and it's a very heavy duty. These are the basic things about the rechargeable floodlight. But one more critical point is when you take a shutdown, even in factories or in railways, you need to have a complete backup time which is been specified. Suppose in this case, it is a 2 hours backup and your shutdown is from 1 to 3. If the product is not proper, if the product is not of the quality, then it may not withstand up to 2 hours what is being claimed. Suppose the backup ends at 1 hour. So 1 hour of 50 to 200 people will be wasted. It's a very heavy penalty. So you need to have a very high quality type of a rechargeable floodlights which is manufactured by Mimic. And also the light what you give, when I commit 3000 lumens, it has to be 3000 lumens. When it backup time is 2 hours, it has to be 2 hours. So these are properly tested in our factory for backup and for lumens. It has been certified in the NAB accredited laboratories. And also in this, these are the portable, but suppose there are the applications where you have to go inside the tunnel. So what happens when you go inside the tunnel? When you go inside the tunnel, you come after 8 hours. So need is more of backup time. That also we give in trolley formats. The batteries are in trolleys because you need a big type of backup, or you need a big batteries, bigger size, so you need a trolleys. Also, we provide tripods. Suppose this particular light you have to be mounted on the top, say 4 feet, then you need a tripod. So we give a complete unit with the tripod, with the trolley, with the higher intensity. That models are also available. These are also being used in sports grounds where the nighttime sports are being used, is being performed. You need light. Every time in sports ground, wherever you work, you don't have lights. You cannot make the lights in the ground, complete ground, you cannot light. Because if the sports games, big games are there, then it's fine. Otherwise, the bigger floodlights on the sports ground, it is not feasible to make it on. So these lights are being used for localized sports. Also in police operations, even in the borders, we give it in the borders also. Where the borders are there, you need to watch the borders on some lights. There the 230 volt is not available. So you need to have battery operated lights. There also we give these lights for borders. But in borders also, you cannot keep it in hand and watch the particular thing. In that case, you need remote controlled portable lights. So that type of lights also we give. The remote operation, when you sit inside the pit our security person sit inside the pit, then it can be operated from the remote place and the light is fitted somewhere else. So whenever you find something fishy or somebody is coming, this light can be operated in remote operation also. So these are different various applications for rechargeable floodlights we provide. At least in India, we have all the ranges. If you need this type of, even in fire applications, when the fire is broke out, when you go inside or when the fire is there, the lights are being shut off. In this emergency operation, definitely you need light. So this light has to be a rechargeable portable light. There also this application you can use. These are the multiple applications for this. If you need any help or you want to purchase it, you can write back to us at mimic.cells@gmail.com or you call me. My name is Anand, 982125222. Thank you.